I clap. My body and my brain is like working together, and the clap is like a little wake-up thing. And then I jump. Slowly, the wings will fill up with air. It's like this soft, sweet motion. It doesn't feel that fast, actually. It's like enjoy the view kind of thing and get off the mountain.
Norway has more fjords than anywhere else on the planet. Their twists and turns add over 16,000 miles to Scandinavia's coastline. So Hege has endless possibilities to satisfy her obsession.
It's such a cool way to go up on a mountain and then fly off of it. It feels like a privilege. Thinking about just being there in the moment. I'm not thinking about what's for dinner later. I'm just enjoying it. Being out there just makes me feel good. So that's why I keep going back again and again.